welcome aboard.
Might I come aboard?
Yeah. You remember the boat?
Well, you know, I thought I did.
Or, little,
But it's been a while. There's that, that dock right over there. There's a boat that looks just like yours.
Uh-huh.
It's not yours.
No, that's not my boat.
Definitely not your boat.
No.
But there's a very nice gentleman living on the boat who invited me in for a white wine spritzer.
Oh, good. Wasn't expecting visitors.
That's all right. I wanted to just come by and say thanks for helping yesterday.
Beth, I'm the same person. I would do anything for you. I just can't give you what you want.
You're what I want. Our life together is what I want. I miss it. I miss you. You see those guys my sisters are married to. You are more of a husband to me, not being married, than those real husbands are ever gonna be, and it's enough. It's really enough for me.
And you would be willing to take the whole marriage thing off the table completely?
If you promise to commit to me and to love me.
I already have.
I'm not finished.
Okay, all right. But I've loved you for 7 years. It's been... Okay.
You have to snake the drain when my hair gets clogged. You know that happens, okay?
Okay.
And also, you have to let me eat those weekends ahead. You gotta give me that.
It's okay, fine.
Okay?
All right.
And, yeah, that's it.
Okay. Do I get to come home now?
I guess you can. But these cannot come.
My pants?
That's correct.
Can't come home?
No.
Why?
You just won a really big battle, my friend. Come on.
So we're not gonna get married, but I have to get rid of my pants.
And we both win.
All right.